Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Shubh by Kripa Elite located in Tilak Nagar. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.25 acres that will have one tower with 3 wings of ground plus 14 story having 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And talking about the amenities, this project has 10 plus all basic amenities with gym, sit-out area, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities. And talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located in Patrakar Society, New Tilak Nagar, from where Tilak Nagar railway station is only at a distance of 2 minutes walk. Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road is only at a distance of 5 minutes. Eastern Freeway is only at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Now let's have a look at the configuration and the carpet areas. As said, this project has 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 408 and 421 square feet, 1.5 BHK in the carpet area of 480 and 508 square feet, 2 BHK in the carpet area of 560 square feet and 2.5 BHK in the carpet area of 871 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Shubh by Kripa Elite located in Tilak Nagar.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.